Hi, I'm the fashion goddess with Wealthy Boutique and Consulting Firm. I have an image consulting company within Houston, Texas, so be sure to visit us if you are a local Houstonian. So today I want to talk about fashion news. And today, I have a idea about the perfume industry. They are definitely coming up and coming out. So today we're going to discuss blind perfume shopping. And ladies, I know that when you think of a scenario where you don't know how the fragrance smell, it's kind of scary because of course, we pick out the perfume that suits us, that suits our own personal aroma. So with that being said, we have a entrepreneur in the business world and in the fashion industry that has come up with this innovative idea regarding perfume. So her name is Mindy Yang, and she opened a perfumery in Soho in November of 2010. She specialized in blind perfume shopping to allow customers to smell perfume without judging if it's a brand name or not. Go to her because you're gonna discover like this studio and experience a multi-sensory imagination of variety of smells. She definitely has reinvented the fragrance shopping experience. She describes herself as being futuristic, and she is so over the traditional retail experience of shopping for perfume. As you smell and shop around, you can indulge in a glass of wine, ladies. Also, have a full body Cabernet. You will finally choose the best scent that you like and apply it to your skin. Once you make your final decision, you can purchase 5 milliliters of perfume. But the price is $5 per milliliter. She even actually hosts cocktail parties to unveil the tap selection. That's what she called it, a tap selection, meaning to unveil all the different variety of perfumes that you smell. She would then introduce the brand names to you. She then posts a full list online so that customers can discover the true perfume that they actually choose. So for example, if it was a particular brand that you chose, then that information will be revealed online on a list. And also, you can check back online to see what she revealed to figure out which perfume you actually took home. Because you won't know what perfume you took home. Of course, you're going to purchase based off of the smell of the perfume. Sampling the perfume will cost 20 bucks. And a clerk will assist you as you go and walk around and sample the different perfumes in the store. You can become a Perfumery Explorer Club member. The benefit is all the scents will be scanned into a database that you personally use and save for future reference. So if you ever want to check back on, hey, what did I purchase back in 2017, or what did I purchase last month, then you can check that information on the database. Other perks for getting a membership with her company is she has reveal parties. She also will give you a sample box of scents. So that's a really great gift, right, ladies? And invitations to other events, even to meet and greet the actual perfumer that design these particular scents. So with that being said, I am the fashion goddess with Wealthy Boutique and Consulting Firm. Be sure to Google that information, feel free to shop with us. Feel free to book an appointment with me in regards to image consulting, wardrobe styling, etc. And we look forward to seeing you stop by and purchase from my store, or just coming in as a client. Thank you so much. I'm the Fashion Goddess.
Who wants another one?
Stop Flying Stiletto. DS Entertainment. LAI's production. Best believe I shut it down. Looking for the star, look no further. Dessert on your entree. All the additives and etc. Stop flying. Fantastical. Yeah, that's phenomenal. Extraordinary star to the fullest. Recognize all plus some. Equipped with everything a king need. Call me heaven. You misunderstanding? Huh? Star glowing in perfection in that 713 area. Life formed from a star, but you missed it. Been a shooting star since the beginning. You wished on me, forgotten who you were.
Who wants
Lost
another
connection. Here comes your error. Retain or consume my light brighter. I'm everlasting, outshining fakers. Been shining since Eden, the time of our ancestors. I'm something like Giorgio Armani, worth every penny, about having it all. Nickname me Sax Fifth. You got me, I got you. A life formed from a star, but you missed it. Been a shooting star since the beginning. You wished on me.